friends, I want to give kudos to Abbey Road Realty for bringing this listing to you. 1144 Oday Drive in Winter Springs, Florida is an impeccable home in the heart of Seminole County. A 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage pool home with tile all throughout, all in one story for your convenience. It features a split floor plan for added privacy. There are 12 fans throughout the house. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, crown molding on the cabinet, and are arranged with a flat top. The master bedroom has an awesome view of the pool and the conservation area. You will love this master bedroom closet. Look, it's ginormous. The master bath gives you the option of a shower or a jetted garden tub. And the 2 bedrooms have California closets, great for organization. This is a well-maintained home. The roof was replaced in 2012, the air conditioner was replaced in 2015, the water heater was replaced in 2017. The pool was also resurfaced that same year. Hurricane shutters throughout the house for added peace of mind and convenience during the active hurricane seasons. The HOA is only $120 per year, which is a bargain. And finally, my favorite part of the entire home is the pool. It backs up to the conservation area, so it's a pretty peaceful and private environment. It is heated by solar panels, so a great saving feature. If you would like more information on how to qualify for a loan on this or any other home, please call me, text me, or email me. I am here to serve.